You will never see your beaten with drugs. Think about it, pop it in your mouth, no sign. It hits your system, and you mashed up like a needle up your ass. Then what do you do? No sign, no sign. When the pain's there, you bleed inside. You rust from in to out. Then pop another pill. You are toxic. Think about it. Do you get the shit? Is it? You bleed from your mouth, from your gums. What does it do to you? Do you have the shape? The drug finding, waterboarding. Why do to you? Beaten till your body turns black and blue. Beaten till your malnutrition. Beaten, they say if you beg, they stop the beating. What other tabs will they beat you with? Think the plaster's gonna hide it? Think about it. The pain, my drug, inside you, eating at your mind, piercing your skin with a needle, so you have ulcers. This is not the cold, but then you end up in hospital, half dead, on those drugs you're on.